two methods. One is substitute convenient value. So based on understanding just now, it means it's true for all value x. So you can throw any x value, but of course, choose the nicer one. Okay, we'll talk about that later. So if you follow this one, the nicer one, you see the bracket is x minus 2, correct? So the nice value is 2 because 2 minus 2 is 0. That's what we call convenient value. Yeah. Then method number 2, compare like terms. You actually done this one before. It's just that polynomial will have more terms. So you can compare maybe constant with constant, x with x, x squared, x cubed, and so on. Okay. And another thing is that you actually can mix and match the method. You don't have to like use method 1, like keep testing x value to solve the whole question, or you don't have to compare all to solve the whole question. Because some students, they thought they can only choose one method. But if you analyze the question, right, if you mix and match, you will actually reach the answer faster sometimes. Okay, you get me? Okay. So this example here, I actually mix and match method 1 and 2. So just to let you know that.